friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Realme X2 Pro device, friends. After using for 2 days, so I used with the 90 Hz refresh rate, friends. And before starting the video, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of if you want to know what wallpapers I am using in all my devices. So you can find the links in description, friends, for the playlist. And the Realme X2 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh of battery capacity, friends, and in this video I have used with a dual 4G mode enabled, so which you can find the option in the dual SIM cellular networks, so which I have enabled continuously dual SIM 4G enabled, friends. Even the 4G data was on, I think most of the time, maybe 70% of the time the 4G data was on. So let me show you the battery statistics, friends. So here you can see the screen on time is around 4 hours, and which is 1 day and 14 hours. So if you notice, the screen on time is pretty low because I turned on the dual mode 4G in dual SIMs, and 4G data was on continuously, so this might be the case. That's why you are seeing a little bit of low screen on time, and this without using any power saving mode, friends. As you can see right now, it dropped to 10%. So it is the few screenshots, friends, which I have taken when the battery is of 100%, as you can see here, friends, and I have enabled the dual 4G mode as well. And let me show you the refresh rate. I have selected the 90 Hz refresh rate, friends, and this is a screenshot which I have taken on the same day around 12 o'clock, so after 6 hours, so 30 minutes of screen on time. And during this time I connected to the Bluetooth earphones as well, friends, so which you can see the Bluetooth earphones. I think maybe close to 1 hour I've used the Bluetooth earphones connecting to the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, even while making some calls or listening to the music. And here is the battery percentage at the night time. So night time, you can see, friends, 9:30, and the battery percentage is around 67%. And from the morning I did not even turn off the 4G data, friends. So this is a test which I have used dual mode 4G and continuous 4G data in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, and you can see the overall results here. And this is a screenshot which are taken before going to bed, so 65%, and time you can see, friends, here. And this one is in the morning, so you can calculate, friends, overall 23 hours, and here is 15 hours, so overall 8 hours I have slept. So overall the battery decreased to 6%. There is a drop, friends, so you can observe clearly there is nothing much change in the screen on time as well, because I did not use the mobile most of the time. So overall is the overall drain during the night time, friends, around 6% for 8 hours. Continuous 4G data was on in the 4G dual mode 4G, friends. So these are overall battery statistics of the Realme X2 Pro, friends. So then definitely if you disable one of the 4G, maybe you will be getting little bit more battery. And overall, friends, the battery of the Realme X2 Pro is pretty good. So from the beginning I'm using only the 90 Hz refresh rate, because there is not much of draining battery in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends. So that's it for this video, friends. Don't forget to watch the playlist of Realme X2 Pro and other smartphones. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.